Foam finger. Okay. What's up, hackers? I'm GoldieBlox, and today's video is all about the Women's World Cup. Guys, we have two hacks. We have two hacks that are actually going to get you so ready for the World Cup. Either you play soccer or you just like watching soccer. This video is for you. It is for you. And for our first hack, we have an emoji foam finger. Guys, first of all, this is supposed to be an emoji, right? So it's like gold and everything, but it's super customizable. If you're rooting for the US, Brazil, anything, you can change up the colors, write some words on it, you know, like yes, or like USA, I don't know, like go for it, like I don't know. So also I picked number 1 because, you know, the US World team actually won the entire thing when the men's team, you know, didn't even qualify. No tea, no shade, just facts. We are number 1. Don't get mad at me. Did you guys know that if you kick a soccer ball in space, it'll never stop moving? Because it's Sir Isaac Newton's first law, an object in motion stays in motion. You know, but things on the Earth, you know, there's gravity, there's friction, so it eventually stops. But in space, it's just going on, man. It's just, it has a path, doesn't know where it's going, but it's getting there, and it's never stopping. So in the, you know, in the future, hey future, don't have soccer tournaments in space. Emoji foam finger, let's hack it. For this DIY, I'll need large sheets of craft foam, a ruler, a pencil, a chip clip, a Sharpie, scissors, and a hot glue gun. First, lightly trace an emoji outline with a pencil onto the craft foam. Next, cut out the emoji with the scissors and trace it onto another piece of craft foam. Cut that one out as well. Draw on the details with the Sharpie. Finally, hot glue the cutouts together, leaving a hole for your hand. 2 thumbs up. Moving on. You know, you're sitting down, you're watching the World Cup, you're cheering on your team, and you're screaming, and your voice is very, you know, it's very hoarse. And then you get inspired. You're like, you know what? I could play soccer, even if you don't you think you could play soccer. If you watch anything long enough, your brain is like, I could do that, right? I mean, I watched kickboxing once, I was like, I could do that. So you go outside, you know, you're kicking, you're screaming, you're playing, it's fun, and then you're like, what is that thirst in my throat? And then you're like, wait, I saw a video of Goldie, and she made DIY Gatorade. So then you rush to the kitchen, you make the DIY Gatorade, and then you drink it. So, yeah. DIY Gatorade. Let's hack it. For this DIY, you'll need water, orange juice, granulated sugar, kosher salt, and lemon juice. First, mix together sugar, sea salt, and hot water. Stir until it's completely dissolved. Next, add orange and lemon juice. Pour half juice mixture into each bottle and fill the rest with cold water. Shake the bottles until the ice cubes cool down the warm water. That's it. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below who you guys are rooting for. GoldieBlox signing off.